Okay. Okay, yo, Crypto Hop coming at you right here, everybody. Um, wow, I had to get on here to do a quick live one, man. I was like going through some stuff here and I saw, a bunch of green bubbles, so whatever. We got to stay focused. We don't get all crazy with it. Okay. Check. Yep, we're all good there. Look at the article that came across. Now, we talk about if you want to get started in cryptocurrency on this channel, just start with the top market caps. What that means is where the money is. Follow the money. Number one, most of the money's in Bitcoin. Number two, Ethereum has the second most money in the cryptocurrency project. Number three, XRP, Tether's in there too, but it's a stable coin. There's different things with that. 3XRP, and then we got Solana. We talk about these four on this show and have been for a while. Now, I personally have some moon bags with some other riskier, lower market cap plays, but you got to really know what you're doing. You know what? I'm doing okay in like 6 or 7 of them, but there's one that's a dog and it's kind of killing me. So one that you put too much money in that becomes a dog, it's not a smart thing. I'm trying to manage that right now. So what I want to do, look at this article, man. Look at this article that came up in my research just now. Okay, these three we just talked about: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Price prediction. Okay, just watch my mouse as we scroll down right here. Looking at this, here's the chart for the Bitcoin price predictions, October 2025. The October column is right here. This is coinpedia.org. Thanks for putting this out. Look at October. Look at all these green. This is year over year. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green months out of 12. And then the two that were negative was only -3%, -12. So look at this: plus 60, plus 30, plus 47, plus 27, plus 30, blah, blah, all the way up. Now, here's what's interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna just real quick show you this real fast. The last 6 consecutive Octobers have all closed positive, delivering an average return of plus 27. That's an average. Every October, Bitcoin has been plus 27%. Get ready to make some money, maybe. Some Octobers have seen even greater, okay, with rallies above 30%, surpassing that 40%. Negative Octobers have been rare, okay? Now, with the last occurring in 2018, Bitcoin slipped 3.3. That was the last time it was down during the U.S. government shutdown. Check it out. In 2018, when the government shut down, there was no support for cryptocurrency. The government didn't want DeFi cryptocurrency to enter the financial markets. Guess what? The government is all for crypto now, for the most part. For the most part. And what we're seeing today with the government shutdown is opposite to what we saw in 2018. We're seeing a rally. We're seeing a rally because retail investors and regular citizens in this country are kind of discouraged about the government debacle that's going on. So there's money moving in the cryptocurrency market. And I can prove that to you. Look at this chart. Look at this Bitcoin chart, people. Oh, dude, doggy, I didn't see this. This just jacked up another 5,000. When I was looking at this last, it was at 120. Dude, if we see this blue line, a wick got crossed at 123 marker. Holy, because there's some strong resistance here, but our all-time high, dude, that wick hit 124. That wick hit 124. Our all-time high in Bitcoin is 124,533. We're literally like $500 away from the all-time high on that wick. Okay, so here is the example. Here's the proof of this whole thing. When the government shut down, it turns the cryptocurrency market into a bullish, positive market because it kind of goes against what the government's doing. There's more trust in the crypto market as of 2025. That's crazy. We're going to go back to this. Look at these moving averages are crossing, straight shot up. See these little lines here? When those lines are shooting up, the candles follow. Okay, Ethereum. Inter-October volatility since dipping below 4,000, it reached 38.25 before bouncing and holding above 3,100 support zone. Yes, that's my support level as well. Market predictions are now focused on whether Ethereum can break through the resistance levels. The most immediate bear, 42.60. I got a line right at about 43. Okay, so let's look at this chart. For October, this is the Ethereum monthly returns year over year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It might be 8 out of 12. So there's less October greens. But if ETH can reclaim and hold this 4,000 on a weekly closes, analysis believe a rally towards 7,000 to 8,000. Okay, these are professional analysis. Professional analysis believe that it could go to 7,000 to 8,000 if we hold that 4,000 mark. Now let's look at that. Let's look at that. Boom, way past it, people. That's right. I forgot about that the other day. This is 2 days ago. These are daily candles, by the way. These are daily candles. Here was that 4,000. I had it at 4,100. 1, 2, 3 candles closed above it. We got 4, 5. Right now we're at the 4,500. Our next resistance level is about 4,700, just below 4,700. So this green candle, we're moving up. We're within these, see these two blue lines? We're within this channel now. There's strong, a double bottom, 1, 2 double bottom. So we're moving up. We're moving up. We got some volume. What's the RSI? 50. When the RSI gets above 50, that's when money moves into risk on asset classes, which is weird because crypto's turning into risk off. I can't even believe this, dude. This is mind blowing. Okay, next one. XRP. XRP. Okay, the SEC's decisions due on, there's 8 ETF applications for XRP in there. Grayscale, Wisdom Tree, Franklin Templeton. I mean, have you ever heard of these firms? These are the largest institutional money firms in the world right here. These firms oversee more than 8 trillion in assets under management, raising expectations that even modest institutional inflows could have an outsized positive impact on XRP. Okay, now let's estimate 3 to 5 billion inflows in the first year could be enough to double the XRP market cap. You understand? You understand this? Follow the money. I've learned in any kind of investing, follow the money. Okay, that's what we're looking at here. Quick prices. $3 price point came in critical battleground. Okay, we're above that right now. Holding above it could trigger a breakout towards the 365 and potentially the 450. If we get past this 365, it's off to the races up to 450, which could open the door to new price discovery. Once we get in that price discovery in these ETFs, trust me, the institutional money starts popping in here. Conclusion. Bitcoin starts October with a bullish historical trackback record, though risk like U.S. government shutdown could cause short-term volatility. Ethereum looks oversold and ready for a potential Q4 rebound. With strong historical gains backing a recovery rally, XRP could be the biggest mover as upcoming ETFs decisions may trigger major institutional flows. Okay, overall, Q4 25 could set the stage, I'm just reading this here, for a transformative crypto rally heading into 2026, people. Let's look at that XRP chart. Woo! We are sitting there, right? We're touching that 311 resistance. We're holding strong at 3. Now, if you look in between these two lines right here, this is our channel now. 1, 2. We saw 3. Well, okay, here it is down here. 1, 2, 3 bottoms. We broke out. We created a new channel from about 295 to 310, 311. That's what we're moving. So if we clear that 311, it's off up into the 325. And like he was saying, all-time highs, this orange line up here is 368. Oh, sorry, 365, 366. Okay, all-time high, 366. I wanted to share that with you guys. I can't believe it. I mean, this is incredibly bullish since the government shut down. Money's moving in the cryptocurrency market. Wow. Okay, keep an eye on this for those resistant levels that I was talking about, people. We could see this. Look at this back here. We could see another one of these happen if we get past this 228, and then if we break the all-time highs, price discovery. Make sure you're in position. Okay, if you haven't bought, don't FOMO in. Once this takes off, don't sit there and FOMO in. But it's still not too late because we are under that resistance here of this 308. And then lastly, finish with this, the Solana. I mean, the Solana. If you go back historically on this chart here, it's up and to the right. The whole thing is up and to the right. This is a riskier play. It's a smaller market cap, but this could be percentage-wise the highest gainer out of my portfolio personally. So something to think about. Get in on Solana as well. Anyway, people, thanks for checking in. Thanks for checking in. Some exciting stuff going on here. Enjoy the rest of your day. Focus on the financials, but at some point you got to get away from it. Go get some sunshine. Go get some rain if it's out there. We had a huge rain tomorrow, or yesterday. It was raining pretty good. So just want to mention that. Crypto Hop signing off. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Let's go. Hey, I got my hydro link in there too. If you want to get one of these hydro bottles, it helps calm me down when I get all fired up. I just sit here and hydrogen gas in the cells, every cell in your body, you will feel better. I have done this case study by myself, and I'm sitting here telling you right now, I feel better when I drink the hydro water. Link is in my description on my front page. I know for sure if you click my link, I get $5 if you buy one off there. I appreciate the support. Crypto Hop signing off. Enjoy your day, people. Enjoy your day.